Janelle and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm having a bit of a sewing day and I thought I'd pick up the camera to document it a little bit. So in this video I won't really be showing you how to make anything, but instead I'm just going to bring you along with me as I sew today. I filmed a few of these videos before in the past and I'll leave them linked down below as you really seem to enjoy them and I really like filming them too, as I find it's really fun to look back on the different projects I've undertaken in the past. So yeah, see this as kind of a sew with me type video. I'm really excited about what I'm going to be making today and hopefully you will enjoy it too. So let me start off by showing you what I'm planning on making today. I recently found this image here by Abby Withington and I just felt like it was the perfect outfit. So I really love the oversized styled blouse and then the cute little skirt with a little waist tie and buttons down the front. I just really liked how it looked together and I've decided to have a go at making this perfect outfit for myself. So to make this outfit, I have these two pieces of fabric here. I actually picked these up as remnants from my work. So I've got this beautifully textured, I don't know what you'd call it, dusty pink cotton gauze type fabric. It's actually really lovely, a beautiful texture, and it's got this really fine white stripe throughout it. So I've got about 1 meter of that fabric. And then I also picked up another beautifully textured cotton fabric, but this time in this caramel kind of mustardy color. And this is what I'll make the skirt out of. So I don't know yet if I'm gonna have enough of this fabric, but I do know there is some more at work. So if I need to pick some up, I'm sure I can do that. But let me show you as well the patterns that I'm going to use to make this outfit. Firstly, for the top, I've decided I'm going to have a go at hacking this McCall's 7920. It's actually a dress and it's got a V-neck, but I'm going to hack it into a top with a round neck, hopefully, and long sleeves as well that I can roll up just like in the Instagram photo I just showed. So I had a go at tracing out this pattern in the style I'd like it to be. So we're gonna see if that will work. And as for the skirt, I had a bit of a rummage through my vintage patterns and found this one, which I think is perfect. So I'm gonna go with this one here. It's kind of got a gathered waistband, but it has the buttons down the front, which I really like. And it has these cute little hidden pockets in the side, which are really, really cute. But I think I will add the tie waist that is shown in this one to this. And I think that will work out perfectly. So first things first, I'm going to get started on the blouse. I don't think it will take me too long. It doesn't seem too complicated, but hopefully my pattern hack will work out okay and I'll have a nice blouse at the end. So I'm going to start by cutting out all the pieces and then we can start sewing. Also, I'm really excited to share that I've figured out a way to wear my McCall's 7974 dress. Just add a really cute cropped jumper. My mum actually made this jumper for me and I have just paired it with a pair of cute burnt orange socks, and this will be my cozy sewing day outfit for today. So like I said, I have pre-drafted the pieces that I'm going to cut out for this blouse. There's only 4 pieces, so it shouldn't take too long to cut out, but yes, let's get onto the cutting process. So I've just pinned the pieces in and already I've realised I don't quite have enough fabric to make the sleeves as long as I would have liked, but they're still a good 3/4 length, and like the picture in the Instagram, she wore them rolled up anyway. So that's what I'll be doing, just cutting them a bit shorter and rolling them up instead. For a $2 remnant, I'm quite happy to have the sleeves slightly shorter than I'd like because yeah, it's gonna end up being a $2 blouse, isn't it? All cut out and let's start sewing. Okay, so it's definitely starting to look a bit like a blouse. I've just attached the facing to the inside. So that's made the collar and where the buttons are going to go nice and crisp and lovely, and it just hides all the stitching on the inside, so it just makes it look nice and neat as well. So now I just need to sew the sleeves and the side seam together, and I think we're up to the buttons already. This has been a really quick make. So the blouse is done and I'm so happy with it. I think it's really cute. It's kind of cropped, which I really love. I think it's going to look really nice with a pair of high-waisted jeans as well. And I love the rolled up cuffed sleeves. I just think it looks really effortless and comfy. Yeah, really happy with it. But I just started working on the skirt and I've definitely been a little bit optimistic about getting the skirt out of this 1 meter of fabric. So I definitely need to go buy some more of it, but I'm not going to leave the house just to go get this fabric, especially when I have to work tomorrow anyway. So I'm just going to hit pause on this sewing day for now and then pick it up again when I have managed to get my hands on some more of this fabric. So it's a few days later now and I'm back in my sewing space after a weekend of work, and while I was at work I did manage to pick up some more of that fabric so I can finish the skirt today. Here it is. I picked up 1.20 meters of this fabric, so I think with that and the other piece that I had, that should be plenty to finish off the skirt. I also picked up these cute buttons. I really like how they're almost tortoiseshell looking, and I think with the fabric they look really nice. So they're the buttons I will put down the front of this skirt. I thought I'd just show you how cool this pocket piece is. So it's actually like a part of the skirt and then it gets folded down to create the pocket, which is something I've never tried before, but seems ingenious to me. And obviously when working with vintage patterns, sometimes can be a little bit tricky. So I haven't actually made this one before. Hopefully it'll be nice and straightforward, but I have decided I want to make it a little bit longer. So I'm going to just not cut the bottom and just use the edge of the fabric instead, as I kind of like a little bit of a midi length. Okay, so the two front panels are well underway and I've just made these cute little pockets and I'm really impressed with them. It's just such an ingenious way to go about making pockets that I've never tried before. So it kind of is basically just this piece of fabric here that has been folded up in half and then tucked into the back, and then you've got this really neat little side pocket. skirt is pretty much finished. I've just attached the waistband, got some cute little gathers at the front here. So now all that's left to do is hem the entire bottom of the skirt and put all of the buttons and the buttonholes along the front. Oh, and the waistband as well. Okay, the buttons are finally stitched all along the front, and now I'm just going to make the waistband, and I'm also just going to use some thread to kind of make little loops for the waistband to sit in, and then the whole outfit will be done. I'm so happy with how this outfit has turned out. It turned out better than I thought it would. I find the blouse so easy and comfortable to wear, and I'm sure it's going to be a staple in my wardrobe for many years to come. And the skirt is just unlike any skirt I've ever seen anywhere. I'm really happy with it and really proud of myself for using one of my vintage patterns and giving it a go. I actually think I want to use more of my vintage patterns now, so that's exciting. So I hope you enjoyed coming along with me on this sewing journey, and that you're inspired to maybe hack into some of the patterns you already own to create the perfect outfit. If you did enjoy this video, then be sure to come find me on Instagram at Rosery Apparel if you'd like to see some of the other things I make and some of the other outfits I wear. And be sure to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos like this one. Thanks for watching!